Dairy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a mini floor work routine. I don't know what has come over me, but I'm just really in the sexy mood. Even though Valentine's Day passed, but sexy is all year round. So I'm gonna give you these little mini routines so you can enjoy and share and dance and perform wherever. All right? Make sure you have some leg warmers, knee pads, stockings, socks, pants, mats, cushions, so you don't hurt our knees, and make sure to warm up before starting. All right, let's get started. You're gonna start on your back, laying down. Arms are in a T, ankles are crossed, legs are straight up. From here, you're going to lower your legs down and arch your back to arch up. Breathe. So as soon as you arch up, you want to extend your legs into a V, okay? Notice how I'm up on my hands. If you feel like this is too much, maybe go lower onto your forearms, okay? So from the beginning, I'm here, arms at the T, legs are crossed, arch up, knees come to my chest, kind of like a crunch, and extend, or to your forearms. Right? From here, you're gonna bend your legs. You're gonna bend and straighten each leg. Maybe move like a come hither, I'm coming to you, whoever you is, right? And stop. From there, you're gonna tilt your hips over to the right and cross, so you end up in a diamond shape. Same leg that's bent, that arm is going to rest on top. From there, you're gonna push your hips up and roll, and roll, and roll. Make it hot, make it sexy, whatever you like, and come down. From there, you're going to push the floor away. The hand that was resting on your knee is gonna come to the floor. You're going to open it up to a downward dog, pushing the floor away. You're going to roll. So as you roll, you're pushing your hips forward, pressing the hips down, arching your back, sliding that front leg forward, untucking your toes, and then rolling the chest onto the ground to end here. I know this is pretty fast, so we'll do it again, okay? Arms at T, legs are crossed. Maybe arch your back a little bit, so give a little more sexy. And then from there, arch up, open to your V, and bend and move, and bend and move. Whew, a lot of ab workout here. Tilt to the right, cross to your diamond shape, arm rest. Maybe roll your wrists if you're feeling fancy. And stroke it up and roll, and roll, and roll. That hand's gonna come to the floor. Push the floor away to your downward dog. Make sure you're breathing the whole time. Pushing the hips forward, so rolling, dropping the hips down. Arching down towards the floor, chest is on the floor. Front leg is bent. Maybe bend the back leg. Maybe come up for a flare. Or maybe if you want to do your split to be extra. Okay? So let's try it one more time, all together.
Passion shines and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
If you like this video, please like, please comment, subscribe, share, tag me at Kenny Dairy. I would love to see, and I will see you next time. Bye.